First of all, very good morning to all of you. So, today I'm going to discuss your unit number 14, which is Scheme of Fundamental Right to Certain Freedom under Article 19. Right. So, in this video lecture, you have to study two topics. First one is Article 19, which means protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, and the second one, freedom of rights, which means Article 19 to 22. Right. So, first thing is I would like to discuss first point, Article 19. So basically, Article 19(1) gives citizens for six freedoms. Right. So I would like to discuss in detail. So freedom of speech and expression also there, then freedom of assemble peacefully and without weapons. So in fact, Article 1C only gave freedom to create associations, and later in the year 2011, the 97th constitutional amendment gave it a new fundamental right to create cooperatives. So it is basically the last newly added default authority. And in addition, in the original constitution, a total of 7 freedoms were given in Article 19. But by the 44th constitutional amendment in 1978, the independence of one Article 19F, which was about acquiring, then disposing of properties, and there were 6 freedoms in Article 19 that were repealed. So the freedom of this article is confirmed exclusively on Indian citizens and not on foreigners. So in this independence, the state may also impose limitation on the referred to in this paragraph, right? So here you can see Article 19 says that all citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression. Then the second one, to assemble peacefully and without arms, and to form association or unions. So to move freely throughout the territory of India, to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Right. So here you can see freedom rights in Article 19 to 22. The second point. So in Article 19(1) of the Constitution reads under the below, right? So protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech and etc. So the first one is all citizens shall have the right, then to freedom of speech and expression, then to assemble peacefully and without arms, then to form association or unions, then to move freely throughout the territory of India, then the next one, to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, and next is omitted, and last one is to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. So basically in Article 19(2) to 19(6) contains reasonable restrictions on the rights and ensures under Article 19(1). So, in Article 19(1), the Bombay High Court has upheld the restriction placed on the relief of person who affected by AIDS. And similarly, the Apex Court has acknowledged the limitation in the interest of society over the movement of conservatives. So it is noteworthy that recently in 2015, the Supreme Court declared in Shriya Singhal v. Union of India case Article 66A of the Information Technology Act 2002, or you can say Act 2000, as under the unconstitutional on the contrary to the basic speech and expression of Article 19A of the Constitution, right? So in article 19 to 22, there were, difference means article 21 has a very wide interpretation, right? So in article 22, it depends, it protects against arrest and detention, and also there are two types of detention, punitive and preventive, right? So this is all, article 19 to 22 is, it's a constitutional remedial right, right? So this is all about your unit number 14, right? Here you can see some multiple choice questions are there, so you have to go through it, right? So here you can see, right? So this is all about your unit number 14, right? A scheme of fundamental rights to certain freedom under article 19, right? It's a very short unit, right? So in this video lecture, if you find any query or doubts regarding this unit, then please feel free to ask me or contact me, right? So thank you for watching. So thank you.